Well, hush. Okay, we about to do this reaction video. The first one gonna be on one man, one jar. The next gonna be on one man, one screwdriver. Wanna do one girl, one cup? I mean, two girls, one cup. But just on them two with the dudes, you know.
Yeah, let's do two girls, one cup. Matter of fact, I'm finna send you the video on Facebook.
No, I ain't never put on Facebook no more, and they can hear your voice now.
Well, start on.
Nope, you shouldn't have said nothing.
You ain't never done the same thing.
Okay, here you go.
His ass is nasty.
Oh, that jar was Good. Why did it bust?
No, why did he do that?
Oh. Okay, take your eyes off. He should be ashamed of himself.
He made nobody want to go to the bathroom.
See why I don't eat pickles.
What pickle gotta do it?
That's a pickle jar! Right, so it will come out.
I got a question. What will do, Mr. Jackson?
Oh, Kira!
I'm sorry, I just thought of that.
Why would he do that?
I ain't never seen him my brother.
I know.
Oh, he making my hands start back hurt.
That's like when my leg was bleeding last night. He got ugh.
Everyone have a picture of this other girl named Akira on your.
Now he wants. He just stood up like ain't nothing happened. What you about? Not again. Using this one screwdriver. White people. Ugh.
Okay, we ain't racist, but y'all.
I know, right? We ain't racist, but well, he got that screwdriver in here.
Y'all slow sometimes. We slow too, but the fuck is that white shit up on his ass?
I know. He should be ashamed of himself.
How he get that in there? That's the question.
He want to play with it. He should be. Ooh.
And then he act like it's just.
I know, like it ain't nothing. Like it's funny. That ain't funny.
You was technically just lost like a gallon of blood.
Which one you think was the worst? One man, one jar, one man, one screwdriver.
The screwdriver.
How you get that in there?
What are y'all talking about?
The video ain't done. Don't watch them two videos, please. That's disgusting.
That is a disgrace to America and all men.
I thought, no offense, but I thought black people be the dumb ones. Yeah. So most people say black people disgrace. But seeing that 2 girls 1 cup and all that, I'm put it on. No offense again with the white people. That's just I ain't seen no black person do none of that stuff yet.
Squash that. All Americans are fucked up. Thumbs up to that. All Americans are fucked up in head. Especially that man. End it. Oh my goodness. I'm watching the Cheerios commercials.